What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and the Dividend Team. Today I want to talk about how to save for retirement. I think retirement is a kind of hot topic. I looked at this pretty old article, The Beginner's Guide to Saving for Retirement. So that's what I want to talk about real quick. Of course, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment. So retirement can be boring. Not too many people can be educated on retiring. Some people feel like they're not putting enough away. Some people feel like they don't have enough to retire. But I think that any amount you save can help you reach your goals. Of course, the article right here talk about when's the best time. I mean, the best time right now is, of course, right now. Compound interest, is of course an amazing thing. One way to save for retirement is through your employer's 401k or 403bs. I know some people got TSPs and things like that. 401k can be through your employer, pre-tax payroll deductions. 403b is account, get through your employer, is like an educational institution, non-profit. I think a good way, because some employers, they match. So make sure you take full advantage of that. You got IRAs, individual retirement accounts. That's a good way. I have a IRA. Actually, I have a Roth IRA, which is used as a tax money. You got the traditional, which is tax deductible and a SEP if you self-employed. Article always talk about Social Security. I'm sure a lot of people out there probably like, oh, I'm going to just rely on Social Security, but let's face it, definitely not enough. So yeah, some people thinks that Social Security can probably won't even be around much longer. But yeah, we got 401k. That's it. Like the article says, every time you get a raise, kind of is like increase your limits every year, your percentages. So we saving 6%. Every time you get a raise, maybe go to 7, 8. So every time you get a raise, just increase your percentages. This article goes in depth with about IRAs. Talk about, of course, like this after tax money, meaning 30, 40, 50 years from now, when you withdraw, you won't pay no taxes on it. That's why I like the IRA. Roth IRA is the tax the limit is, I think, is $6,000, six grand. So yeah, pretty good article. I definitely want to max that out. If you can max out your 401k, I think the limit now is actually 19,000. Yeah, I think the sooner you get in, the sooner you can start that compound interest. The article also talks about Betterment. You know what Betterment is? It's a good robo-advisor that kind of automates your investments. You can set retirement goals. So, yeah, I think many good ways to save for retirement. I think that once you're saving automatically, leave your account mostly alone. So yeah, once you pretty much save it and forget it, and yeah, let's want to get in here real quick. Talk about how to save for retirement. The best ways is through your 401k, IRA. So key takeaway from this article is don't be intimidated. I think anybody can do it. I mean, you want to start now, start early. You start with $5, $10, $20, but start as much as you can, as early as you can. realize that you need to know that Social Security will not be enough. 401k is your friend. So pretty much where you can, and you know, because it's everything tax free. Same thing, IRA. It's your friend. You know, I definitely love the Roth IRA because, of course, make sure you know there are limits. I think right now with 401k is 19,000. Article actually behind, and IRAs is 6,000. That's no, you can do both. 401k and IRA actually reduces your taxes. Make sure you know that most employers will match your 401k. So whether they match to 5%, 6%, 7%, make sure you take advantage of maxing out the max. Like I said, it's free money. Yeah, so for the most part, I mean, if you have a job and you leave that job, go to a new job, let's talk about make sure you roll over that cash to maybe like a rollover IRA or to a new IRA. Don't just take it out and spend it, and make sure you know the penalties that if you withdraw early, the 10% penalty. So you gotta be 59 and a half. So make sure you remember that. So yeah, I'll say this: choose what's best for you. I definitely say that 401k and IRA is probably the best way to go. Make sure you kind of try to max out both if you can. So leave a comment below. Let me know how do you save for retirement, and do you have a 401k, your IRA, and how much do you contribute? Make sure you like this video and subscribe.